Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status, step by step. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and tap on Updates in the bottom left corner. Next, tap on the camera icon at the top right to create a new status. Now you can either take a photo or choose one from your gallery. Once your photo is selected, tap the music icon at the top. Browse through the available songs and tap one to preview it. When you find the song you like, tap the arrow on the right to confirm. Then select the part of the song you want to use and tap Done in the top right corner. You can also add text, stickers, and a caption if you want. When you're ready, tap the post icon in the bottom right corner to share it as your status. And that's it. Now you know how to add music to your WhatsApp status.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.